Hey guys, this is Oscar and welcome to Meal Prep 101. This is gonna be our first video. I really don't know what the I'm doing at this point, but pretty much I'm gonna show you how to make meal preps in as little as like an hour to an hour and a half. And I'm gonna try to go outside the boring white rice and chicken breast that most bodybuilders eat. This is food for most fitness people in general. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start with 1 cup of rice. And what I like to do is just put just a little bit of salt in there. Got a piece of salmon and a piece of cod. For the cod, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some basil pesto. Just put it on the side. This is where I'm gonna put my piece of cod right there. You wanna grab your piece of cod and just put it on top. Put some salt on top. Grab the basil pesto and dump it on top. Now that that's cooking, I'm gonna start making the salmon. Just put some garlic powder on top and some lemon pepper. Slap that in there. A little bit of salt on top. More garlic powder and more lemon pepper. Reduce the heat a little bit on this one. Alright, now that that's cooking, I'm gonna start making some chicken. For meal prepping in a hurry. Got maybe like 8 pieces of chicken thigh. And I'm gonna put half of it into this bowl. Put some garlic in there, some mustard, salt, and some pepper. Just mix all together. Time to check the fish. A good time to flip it. Oh, look at that. And with this, I'm going to put some oil in there. And I'm going to throw this chicken in there. And this should be for 2 meals. That's typically how much I eat. I mean, it depends how much you eat. It should be more or less, but typically it would be 2 pieces for 1 meal and the other 2 pieces for my other meal. I want to clean this bowl real quick. For the rest of the chicken, I'm going to use just 3 condiments, just paprika. This is a really good blackened seasoning that I got at Walmart. You can find it probably somewhere else. And then some chipotle pepper seasoning. And once it's done, you can just dump it in there. I'm just gonna real quick wash my bowl. Is some ground turkey. Some of these breadcrumbs, progressive Italian style. there. Put some salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. And then we're gonna mix it. I'm gonna check on my chicken real quick. This fish should be done right here. Oh yeah, that's looking good. But for me, this is good enough. I'll put one here. Take my other piece. Put it right here. Now this, just gonna quickly clean this up. Just a little bit oil spray. I'm gonna make some patties real quick. They don't have to be perfect because it's all going one way and it's coming out the same way. Just kidding, it's not coming out the same way. It's coming out a different way, but it's all going the same way. Check the other half of my chicken now, which should be close to being done. Alright, now I'm just gonna keep checking my chicken, making sure that it's not raw. You can use a thermometer, put it on the thickest part of the chicken, and make sure it's at least 165 degrees. And then for same thing for my patties, I'm gonna increase the heat on the turkey patties and keep checking them. All right, this is pretty much done. Turn off the fire on this chicken. I'm just gonna start putting on my trays. And the turkey patties are pretty much almost done. Rice just finished too. For the patties, I'm just gonna put them in here. 2 of this one meal. Now that my rice is also ready, I'm gonna put some rice in this. Just kind of eyeball it. Try to make it equal. I have my 4 meals. This is usually what I eat. I get 4 of my meals with rice, and then the other 4 I'm gonna put some vegetables in them. And I don't boil this because there's really no point. You're gonna put them in the microwave anyways, and this is a meal prep, so it's technically you're gonna heat it up again, and by the time you heat it up in the microwave, these are gonna be they're not gonna be frozen anymore. So there's really no point of boiling them. There you go. That looks about right. put some lemon pepper seasoning on the veggies just to give it a little bit of flavor. It tastes like shit anyways. And that's pretty much it. Took me about an hour. Started like like 6:15, right? Something like that. So yeah. And this pretty much is for a whole week. I always cook for 4 days. So today is Sunday. I always cook Sunday night. And this is gonna be my food for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I don't like to make food for Friday or anything past Thursday because it starts just getting too old and it doesn't really taste that great by Friday. So 4 days is maximum I would do. I wouldn't cook for more than that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'm just gonna let this cool down and wash my dishes, and I'm done. Thanks for watching. If you watch the whole thing and you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks. I'll see you on the next one.